Once you begin to shake, that's when an earthquake begins. Stay in this position for as long as you can. This exercise mostly targets your abs. It also helps to train your lower back and hip flexors. Roll up. Lie down on your back with your arms stretched overhead and your legs straight. Lift your arms off the floor first, then your shoulders. Start rolling up to a sitting position and back to the lying one. Your movements have to be slow, one vertebra at a time. It'll engage your muscles much more. Do 10 repetitions of this set. This exercise is a multi-purpose one. It tones not only your abs, but also your hip flexors. It stretches your back and hamstrings as well. Rolling like a ball.